Greetings to everyone. Here is my project model named as Spying Camouflage Warbot using clan mechanism 8-legged model. And here you can see 4 main legs with 2 subordinate legs, and this is the Raspberry Pi, which is microcontroller, brain of the project, and motor driver which drives current to DC motor. And here you can see DC motor, 2 DC motor adjacent but which is placed opposite to each other. And here is my project. Now here we plug both motor driver connection and Raspberry Pi in power input, and here you can see the power is given to, this is motor driver in power, and this one is for Raspberry Pi. And after plugging the power, we plug the display input where we can see Raspberry Pi and OS here. This is the Raspberry Pi and OS, and it is not like a Windows, and it's like a Linux. You need to do some operation in this OS. We need to do code. We need to code the things in order to do the working. This is my Python script which I have developed with the back end, and you can see the code, the complete code is dumped into the Raspberry Pi, and where here you can see the GPIO links. That means from the motor drive, the pins which is associated to the Raspberry Pi, and using these repository pins we can code the input of the project. Raspberry Pi has its own console of Python. Now let us start with run command, and the program has run successfully, and it is asking to give the input to the console. Now you can see the model here, and we go on inputting to the console through the keyboard, and when we give command run and hi, you can see the project is working based on the input which we have given. In order to stop the project, we go with the stop and low, so the project stops. Here you can see the input commands which we have inputted during the working. Well, in order to connect this Raspberry Pi and project through the IoT to other devices, you can watch out that there is a server in the Raspberry Pi called as VNC server. Using this server through any mobile apps called VNC, we can connect to the Raspberry Pi. How does it shares the information? It shares the information through the IP address which is given in the VNC Connect. While if this project connects to any Wi-Fi of the other devices using this VNC Connect and with the secured password, we can connect to the project. Hence, as I said that it needs a secured password, of course the connection to this device is also secured.